Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. And before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers in the platform right here. So go and sign up with these brokers because I want you to have a separate account when you trade with my signals. So trade in that account only with my signals. So we'll talk about this in Telegram. Make sure you're in there. Subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart here, we have to talk about something important now. So starting the problem approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly on Monday, I think I told you we might go up. So we ended going up. Okay. Anyway, so we had been in the strong uptrend in euros since last 4 months, and daily coming back, we have made a new high. Okay, all previous highs are broken. New high 1718. You see, 1718. Last time dollar went to 1718, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago, maybe, I don't know, until, this is the highest high in the last 5 years, okay? So this 1780, which you see right now, the price in Euro USD, this price never reached in the last 5 years, okay? So a lot of people are not happy about it. There are those traders, millionaire traders, even they can't predict what's going to happen with Euro USD, but I'll tell you what's going to happen, okay? So talent and the skill doesn't mean that you have to be a millionaire already. You can be broke, but you can still have the talent. Okay, all you need is that breakthrough. Anyway, so in Delhi they have broken on the previous highs, so I don't think that should get entry. So go back to 4 hour. I think we are in the strong uptrend. Okay, so 4 hour we are having the rejection here in this 4 hour candle. As you can see, I think Monday we should go up. Okay, so when the market opens, wait for next 4 hour. Okay, so we have the rejection. You could see that the price could not sustain at the bottom. So yeah, this looks like a hammer to me. Okay, in 4 hour in Euro USD. So I think we have the possibility to even go up to 1800. Time will tell, but I think we're gonna go up. Okay, because this hammer or this long wick which you see, it's a rejection that the sellers can't actually dominate the market. Buyers came in and pushed the market up again, made it a hammer. Okay, so yeah, well, when the market opens on Monday, wait for the 4 hours next candle, see what happens. If that candle eats this candle, which probably should happen, then enter long and take your profit, or take when you come into the profit, start trailing your stop loss. Okay, I still think we are looking for longs in this Euro USD, and I don't think this is going to come down because the rejection has come. Wait for 4 hours on Monday and then see what happens, and then take your action. So look for longs in Euro USD, and that's all I have for you. So subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, and check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.